Today we learn first part of this granny square crochet pattern. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, and we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch.
Now in each stitch, we start with 2 chain crochet stitches. Now in each stitch we will make a double crochet stitch followed by a chain crochet stitch. The next stitch again a double crochet stitch followed by a chain crochet stitch. So this we are going to do in each stitch. Please ignore background noise, my kid is playing. See, followed by a chain crochet stitch. Sorry. Here, chain crochet stitch, then a double crochet stitch in next stitch. So it is like same. Go on making one double crochet stitch and a chain crochet stitch in each stitch. I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. I'm showing you stitches so all over the round, so you won't have any confusion. Here we are done with all our stitches, so we will just join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. That's it. Finish. One round is finished. Second round is finished actually. Now for third round we will as usual start with 2 chain crochet stitches, and then in each double crochet stitch we will make 1 double crochet stitch, and each chain crochet stitch we will make 2 double crochet stitches. So it's a pattern of 1 2 1 2. So remember, in each double crochet stitch we will make a double crochet stitch, and each chain crochet stitch we will make 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, so go on repeating this till all around till you complete last stitch. Once you are done with your last stitch, as usual we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. I'll complete this whole round and I'll show you. Now after completing our third round, now see, we will make chains. So first make a chain of 10 chain crochet stitches. Okay, uh, first we make a chain of 10 chain crochet stitches, and then we skip 5 stitches in down on the circle. We will skip 5 stitches, and in 6 stitch we will join uh, first and I'm sorry, in 6 stitch we will join the 10th chain crochet stitch, okay, with a slip stitch. Then we make a chain of 5 chain crochet stitches, and then we skip 4 stitches and join it with the 5th stitch. So this two we have to go on repeating. First we make a chain of 10 chain crochet stitches, skip 5 stitches, join with the 6th stitch, then we make a chain of 5 chain crochet stitches, skip 4 stitches and join with the 5th stitch. Okay, so we will repeat this 10 5 10 5 10 5 all around. Okay, I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, now this is our first part, it is ready. Now further design, the second part and third part is also there. You will get further design in that. And this is how our whole granny square crochet pattern will look like. Isn't it beautiful? You can use it in bags, you can use it in like whatever, for design, for table centerpieces, whatever you want to do. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.